So today we're going to be installing this new rear ladder that is made by Ecotechne, and it's sold by 4-Wheel Drive Adventure.USA. And if you want to look him up on Instagram, you can find him at 4-Wheel Drive Adventure. That's 4WDAdventureusa.com. So if you look right here, these are the parts that come with it. You get different logos for it, the padding that goes on the bottom. This is gonna be the ladder bracket right here, and these are the different mounts that we're gonna install. So these are some of the tools that you're gonna need to remove and install. You basically can use this from your spare tire kit to take off the 5th wheel on the back of the FJ. And if you have a wheel lock, you're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure that you get your key for your wheel lock in case your back spare has that. So like as you can see there, I already took off the spare wheel, and these are some other tools. You're going to need a 3/16 Allen key. Also, you'll use this T27 hex key, 14 millimeter. So as you can see right here, this is a quick little pre-setup that I did. Nothing has been bolted down yet. So there's one piece, which is the ladder. The second mount is on the right hand side. And then if you go here, this is going to be your main mount. So this is where you remove your spare tire and you loosen up all 4 points right here. And then you unscrew over here and right there with a 14 millimeter. So once you loosen that up, you're going to go ahead and mount this rear door seal on the back on those 2 points. From there, that connects to this left side right here, which you can see it has 2 slots with the bolts and washers for both end. And then on this other side, so if you look right here, you can see you have these bolts on this end, which is going to be one bracket piece that comes, and then up top, the third bracket piece that has the Allen key 3 bolts. And then over here, I'll show you how you're gonna mount this onto the door. So that's a side profile shot of the ladder installed, but it's not fully done. This is the second mount, which goes to the spare tire on point 1, point 2. If you open the door, you'll see how you mount those 2 hex keys. You have to remove that holds in your locking solenoid. So once you remove those 2 lower mounting points, this screws will go in onto this bracket that actually holds the door in right there. And then from the top, this is going to be the back point, which it has 3 Allen tools that you mount right there. And then this slides in on the top, and then you have to screw down these 3 points up there. And each actual part of this mounting point, along with the side, comes with a piece of foam so that you won't have any issues of it getting like rubbing that. So we'll set that up next. Here's the finished product. We have the Ecotechne rear ladder from 4-Wheel Drive Adventure USA installed on the FJ Cruiser. Fits very nice, feels very strong. I already put my weight on there. Solid. Just another note though, if you have a 33-inch tire, it's going to be pretty tight fit, but it works. So that's a 285/75/16. But if you do get a bigger tire like a 35, it's going to be a tough fit. So you're going to have to figure out a way. If you have a swing out tire rack, it'll be better. Or if you could put more space from the back door, then it'll work better that way.